We're trusted in businesses, schools, and high-tech equipment facilities all over the world. Who are we? Bard Manufacturing. We're a recognized global leader in the HVAC industry. But why do customers trust us? For our experience, innovation, quality, and support. Being time-tested provides reassurance, and we've been around for more than 100 years. Our founder, Dale Bard, charted our course when he created and patented an oil furnace. Since then, we've helped revolutionize the climate control industry. At the same time, the company's leadership has passed down the line. Now, a fourth generation of the Bard family guides the company. We've also expanded tremendously with 3 manufacturing facilities in Bryan, Ohio, Madison, Georgia, and Saltillo, Mexico. It's natural to have confidence in those who are on the front lines of a technology's development. One area where Bard's innovation is plainly evident is in the category of wall mount units. We've been manufacturing them longer than any other company, and we're considered the experts in this field. Today, Bard produces and sells more wall-mounted heating and cooling equipment than anyone else in the world. These units have played a key role in specialized environments, such as modular construction, FEMA and mission-critical shelters, telecom buildings, and classrooms. They offer superior individual climate control, quiet operation, and easy installation and maintenance at a very reasonable cost. Bard innovates across the board, developing ways to meet and exceed government regulations, incorporating sustainability into our products and manufacturing processes, and finding new solutions for our customers' needs. Our Bryan facility is home to the James R. Bard Center for HVAC Innovation and Design, a state-of-the-art center dedicated to innovative climate control solutions. The way we build faith in our products is simple. We make sure they work and they last. We inspect and test every unit individually, far more than the industry standard. And when we roll out a new product family, we check decibel levels at our in-house sound testing lab. Quality control to this extent makes it easy for us to stand behind our products. The true test of reliability is how things are handled when questions or needs arise. We provide ongoing support after our products leave our facilities, both through a worldwide network of distributors and access to factory technical service experts. In fact, when someone calls Bard, we have a working unit of every product family we've ever made on hand so that we can physically troubleshoot with them. But while experience, innovation, quality, and support are incredibly beneficial in business, it's our values that really set us apart. As a fourth-generation family-owned company, our family values guide everything we do, from how we make our products to how we treat our employees, suppliers, and distributors. And that ultimately translates into why we earn our customers' trust. Experience, innovation, quality, support, values. Breathe easy. You've got Bard.